Connor, thank you. The federal income tax deadline is here, April 15th. And while the IRS has already received a majority of federal income tax returns, typically filed by tax day, millions more are expected to file before the day is over. I want to bring in Scripps News Group's Joe St. George with us now. Joe, good morning. I want to talk about this a little bit more. Can you explain if the IRS cuts have any impact on refunds so far and why the IRS is not expected to bring in as much money this year?
Well, you're raising important questions, Aaron, because IRS employees have experienced a lot in the first, let's call it 4 months of the Trump administration. Thousands of employees have either been terminated because they were on probation. Others have taken buyout offers. The downsizing at the IRS was a priority of the Trump administration, Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency. Not to mention that they've had 3 acting directors since January. You had Biden's director, you had one Trump director, another Trump acting director just resigned. So there's been a lot of internal turmoil. That being said, I know everyone wants to know if you're entitled to a refund check. Are you going to get your money anytime soon, right? That's what everyone cares about. Tax officials said despite all of that, they haven't noticed any dramatic or significant increase in wait times for your refund check. Now, there's always a little bit of a lag time, right? You file your taxes, you're entitled to a refund. It may take a couple weeks. That's normal. So no measurable impact. At least that's the good news. Some of the bad news here is that the Washington Post was the first to report that tax revenue is expected to be down this year. Now, you might not particularly care about this, and I'll explain why this matters in a second. Because of fewer employees, because of fewer audits, they're expected to just bring in less money. Remember, the big story in immigration, tax-related world in last week was data sharing between the IRS and Department of Homeland Security regarding possible deportations. The expectation is that fewer undocumented immigrants will file taxes. Remember, even though many undocumented immigrants don't get all the benefits of filing taxes, they still have filed taxes traditionally in this country. That's expected to be down, perhaps to the tune of $500 billion when it's all said and done. That obviously impacts what President Trump can spend down the line. It impacts our national debt. So a mixed bag of good news, bad news here. Again, less revenue expected to be generated by the IRS here in 2025, although no measurable delays in those valuable refund checks, Aaron.
Joe, before I let you go, have you filed your taxes yet? I got to put you on the spot.
I have. Yes, I better have, right? We only got a few hours left.
I knew you'd